from Hand Lotion Enterprises, coming to you into the
Johnson Johnson.
Wait. It's not really Johnson & Johnson, it's Cup Enterprises. I mean, Lotion Enterprises. There, lotion. Body care. Lotion body care.
The best part about our lotion is it's squeezable.
Squishy.
Squeezable?
Yeah, squeeze.
If you still maybe...
Oh! It can fall on the floor, and it can squeeze. Oh yes, squeeze it. Squeeze it.